So right now I come to city where I was born, Penza, in Russia. After 5 years in Bali, this absolutely strange feeling inside, like I feel myself like childhood, like child, like inside how I felt when I was child here, and this feeling connect with feel how I feel right now like adult man, and this very strange sense. I don't know how to explain this right now, but just I still looking inside, and I want to share this later. The main thing what I feel right now, the smells. Actually this big city, not so small, but smells is very strong. Smell of earth and grass, and these feelings from the smell put me real deep inside my childhood. Difficult to explain this. So today I already 5 days in Russia, and actually I don't know what I want to talk now, because I feel like I lose all my creation power and every idea what I have before. I I actually don't understand what happened right now and what I will do next. Just right now I'm in my mother land, and just feel I collect power here from roots for something more later. And actually for me very difficult to talk about nothing right now, but I think this is very important, shooting video from this point when I don't understand what I do next and what happened right now, because actually all my life I dream about, I want to be blogger, I want shoot video, but I don't understand how. I only dream but don't do nothing. But right now I feel what I do right now, this is very important, because the main things what I need to do when I want to shoot video, I need to shoot video and upload it. and doesn't matter what in this video. And I won't try make like this, and maybe later I hope I will have some idea inside and some great sense here. But right now I just walking around this Russian forest near this small lake and try to shoot something about nothing, about how I feel right now. Actually, right now I feel like a little bit boring and gray inside, but I feel this like very powerful feeling, because only from boring I can burn, I can make some creation from boring feeling. I feel like this. And what is the most powerful in Russia for me, because for me this this is my country where and actually this is my city where I know everything, and everything for me actually very boring, and I know this from I was child here, and only one thing I can make with this, make some art from this boring feeling, or at least I can make some action like what I make right now. I'm really sorry for my English but actually I'm not sure somebody looks this video, and I want talking how I want. And even if somebody looking this his problem, I think. For me the most important, make action. So beautiful light here. I really feel I can make real great art here, because here many beautiful people, and right now I see the beauty of my country, nature. I feel this different, really different, because before I think this not great, something I need palms, I need ocean, jungles for make some art. But right now I really expressing of this nature, this very calm and deep I feel. Just even this smell, this like smell of my soul. My special Russian dessert. I take honey and milk from village, from cow and bees, and just put this farmer's bread to honey and drink fresh cow milk. Today I'm in interesting practice. This not far from Penza. Here labyrinths in forest, many labyrinths, and I can relive or realize something about what inside me through my body when I walk in these labyrinths. Difficult to explain right now about this, but this is something interesting.